Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. In this video, we're going to practice solving percent problems using proportions. Our first example says the 8th grade class held an end of the year dance. Of the 300 8th graders, 240 decided to attend. What percent of the 8th grade class attended the dance? So the important thing to remember is percent is out of 100. So I'm going to set up a proportion or a ratio table. The important thing is 100% needs to be at the bottom, whether you choose the left side or the right side. It's irrelevant. Your 100% is your total. This percent is out of 100. And then we are tasked to finding the part in the percentage. We know 240 is your part, so that goes on top. 300 goes on the bottom. So in this particular, I have two numbers on the left, so I can go from the left to the right. I can't go from top to bottom because there's only one number, or I can go from bottom to the top because there's two numbers. First thing I want to do is simplify. It's not necessary. I just prefer. 300 and 100 are both divisible by 100. So 300 divided by 100 will give me 3. And then 100 divided by 100 will give me 1. Okay. So now I can go from 3 to 1, which is 3 divided by 3 will give me 1. Or I can go 3 to 240, which is where I'm going to do, because I'd rather multiply than divide. Now 3 becomes 24 by 8, but it's not 24, it's 240. So we'll multiply by 80. And whatever I do to one side, I've got to do to the other. Oops. So I'll times this by 80. And then 80% is who attended the dance. All right, let's do one more example. Coach Bosch has a player who made 9 out of 15 soccer goals to be placed on the team roster. A player must be able to make 65% of their soccer goals. Will this player make the team roster? Well, let's first set up our proportion. In this one, I'm going to do percent on the left side. It doesn't matter as long as it's the bottom as your denominator. And 9 is your part. And 15 is the total. So we're going to simplify. I'm going to go with 9 and 15. They're both divisible by 3. So 9 divided by 3 will give me 3. And then 15 divided by 3 will give me 5. So now it's easy to go. How does 5 become 100? 5 times 20 gives you 100, and whatever you do to the bottom, you're going to have to do to the top, which is the 3. I'm going to multiply that by 20, and that'll actually give me 60%. So this player would not make the team because it's only 60% instead of 65%. All right, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. And as always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.